To set up mobile data limit in Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to go into connections on the top, and then we'll need to find data usage. Here, click on billing cycle and data warning. That way you'll be able to adjust all of the settings. First thing is to change start billing cycle on, and you can select that specific day where your data on provider resets. So choose that day. Then you can enable or disable data warning, which will send a warning notification when you reach a specific limit that you can set up right here for mobile data. Lastly, there's a set data limit, which will basically put limit on how much data you can spend during that cycle. So choose the limit in either gigabytes or megabytes and input it right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.